Hi everyone, this is Mr. Mohammed, and today I'm going to show you how to convert in a repeating decimal into a fraction. And the way you do this is, first let's understand what this number means. 0.23 bar means this number is actually 0.23, 23, 23, 23, and it goes on forever. But we can look at this as a sum of a lot of numbers that start with 0.23 and then adding to it bits and pieces of this number. So we can write this number as the sum of 0.23 plus 0.0023 plus 0.000023, and I will continue adding zeros forever. That means I'm just multiplying every time times 1 over 100, and that basically is a geometric series of r equal 1 over 100. So r is equal to 1 over 100. A1, the first term, is 0.23, which can be written as 23 over 100. So to find the sum of this series, we can write it like this: the sum from n equal 1 to infinity of this number or this series becomes a1, or we can just pull this in here, so that's how it's supposed to look like. Okay, so we just replace the first term is 23 over 100 over 1 minus 1 over 100. So let's simplify this a little bit. So it's going to be 100 will cancel out 100. So we just simplify it like this. It's going to be 99 over 100. And here we have 23 over 100. Cancel out the 100. So the answer is 23 over 99. So I just want you to go ahead and use your calculator right now and check 23 divided by 99, and the answer is in decimal. It will be 0.23 repeated a lot. And even though the calculator may not show like infinite number of 23s, because it's just a calculator. It's not, if you use a computer, it's going to show you a lot more 23s than it is. But in reality, it does not stop. It goes forever. So that's how we can actually do this with any number. So I'm going to show you one more example just to illustrate the idea. If I have a number like this, 1.256, and this number is being repeated, the 256 part. Problem with this number is it doesn't start with 0 point. So I'm going to write this number as 1 plus 0.256. That repeats itself, which is basically the same thing. All right, and I'm going to keep this here for now, and I'm going to take that number, change it into a fraction first, and then add 1 to it at the end. Okay, so let's do this. 0.256 can be written as 0.256 plus 0.000256 plus 0.000256 plus, and I may continue like this forever. Afterwards, you just need to get things organized, so you know that the summation from n equal 1 to infinity of 0.256 that repeats shall be the first term, which is 0.256 over 1 minus r. And r in this case you are multiplying by 1 over 1000. So it's going to be 1 over 1000. So let's simplify this a little bit. So this number can be written as 256 over 1000 over 999 over 1000. So we cancel out the 1000. The number becomes 256 over 999. But we don't forget that we have 1 to begin with because we're converting another number. So let me just change the color. So I'm changing, so 1.256 that repeats is 1 plus 256 over 999. And easily with a calculator you can do this. 256 divided by 999 and just add to it 1. So it becomes 1255 over 999. And if you check this out on the calculator, it will show you that it's 1.256256 repeating forever. So it's sort of the same way, it's a different idea. And of course, you can do this with any number that repeats, like one of the famous numbers, which is 1 over 3. And we want to prove that, so let me write this. We want to prove that 0.33 that repeats is actually 1 over 3. So how can we prove this? So we first start by writing 0.33 that repeats as partial sums, which is 0.33 plus 0.0033 plus 0.000033, and you may continue to do this forever. And as you may have noticed, that you're multiplying that number by 1 over 100 all the way. So R is equal to 1 over 100. A, which is the first term, or A1, which is 0.33, that can be written, that can be written as 33 over 100. Okay, so we're going to do this easily. So the summation from n equal 1 to infinity of this number that repeats itself shall be the first term, which is 0.33, or actually I'm going to write it in the fraction form, it's better. 33 over 100 over 1 minus r, which is 1 over 100. Of course, r must be between -1 and 1, as we said before in the previous video. So you have to check r has to be between -1 and 1 for this sequence to be convergent. So let's simplify this. It's going to be 33 over 100 over 99 over 100. So we cancel this out. So the answer is 33 over 99. And if you divide 33 over 100, it will give you 1 over 3. And that's exactly what you want to prove. So here we go. You can do this with any number you can think of.